Hello everybody, here is your AVS subject teacher Dharmen sir. Students, welcome to my YouTube channel Achievers Academy once again, and I hope all of you fit and fine. Here I would like to start here chapter number 13, A Shelter So High. Students, in this chapter we will learn about the experiences of a traveler. His name was Gaurav Jani. The name of a traveler's tale. ट्रेवलर्स के द्वारा जो बातें कही गई हैं उसे हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. इन दिस चैप्टर A Shelter So High, the traveler's name was Gaurav Jani. Gaurav Jani take the decision for going to tour from Mumbai to Kashmir. Okay students, Gaurav Jani take the decision from going to Mumbai to Kashmir, and by his motorcycle name was Loner. His motorcycle's name was Loner. By his loner, he make a decision. I must be go to traveling by his own motorcycle. Where to where? From Mumbai to Kashmir. Is it clear? Gaurav Jani was a traveler who make a decision. I must be go for a tour from Mumbai to Kashmir by his own motorcycle. His motorcycle name was Loner. उसके मोटरसाइकिल्स का नेम क्या था? लोनर. By his own bike he must be decided to go from Mumbai to Kashmir. Okay students, here let's start. Firstly, here is topic getting ready. Getting ready. How he get ready for going to his own trip. अपने ट्रिप पे जाने से पहले वो कैसे रेडी होता है, what kinds of things he just take. I would here discuss getting ready. He just take all these things as like small tent, plastic sheet, warm clothes, okay students, camera, and petrol can, food, torch, etc. These kinds of things he take. Firstly, small tent, plastic sheet, warm clothes, camera, petrol can, food, and torch, etc. These kind of things he get, and after then he just go for the his own tour from Mumbai to Kashmir. Is it clear? Getting ready in this topic, how he get ready for going to his tour. Is it clear? So students, let's start. While traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir, states should one pass through. जब वो मुंबई टू कश्मीर पहुंच रहा था, जा रहा था, उसमें हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स passes through? Is it clear? How many states pass through Mumbai, from Mumbai to Kashmir? कितने states उसने क्रॉस किया? Then let's see here. Here is the topic. While traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir, states would one pass through. Firstly, I would write here Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, okay, Madhya Pradesh, and another was Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and lastly Kashmir. Is it clear? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. These states he would one passes through. ये states वो क्रॉस किया होगा, and after then he reaches his own trip of the Jammu Kashmir. Okay students, then let's see the capital cities of these states. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir. The capital cities of these states. Okay students, here I would write here Maharashtra, the capital city is Mumbai. Okay students, second one is Gujarat, the capital city is Gandhinagar. Okay students, and here Rajasthan, the capital city is Jaipur, and fourth one is here मध्य प्रदेश। Okay students, here is the capital city is Bhopal. Okay, and fifth is here here is fifth is Punjab. The capital city is Punjab, Chandigarh. Okay students, and here is sixth one is Himachal Pradesh. The capital city is Shimla. Okay students, and last one is here Kashmir, Srinagar. Okay students, here the capital city of these states whose passes Gaurav Jani by his own trip, own tour: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. These states, what is the capital cities? Maharashtra, you know about this, Mumbai; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Rajasthan, Jaipur; and Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, capital city is Bhopal; Punjab, Chandigarh; and Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Is it clear? Lastly, Kashmir, the capital city is Srinagar. Is it clear students? And here some of the big cities on his way. Just he also described there in our chapter some of the big cities. What was the big cities on his way? इन स्टेट्स को क्रॉस करने में से कौन कौन से बिग सिटीज मिले, कौन कौन से बिग सिटीज को उसने क्रॉस किया था. देन some of the big cities on his way, here is Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Shimla, and all these cities mostly he just crosses. And here is after Jaipur he also crossed the Delhi. Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Delhi, Shimla, all these big cities he crossed on the way. Is it clear, students? Some of the big cities on his way: Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Delhi, Shimla. The distance of Maharashtra to Delhi. The distance of Maharashtra to Delhi. What was the distance of Maharashtra to Delhi? He also just described. The distance of Maharashtra to Delhi, the distance of Maharashtra to Delhi 1400 kilometer. He covered this distance Maharashtra to Delhi 1400 kilometer by his motorcycle. The motorcycle name was Loner. Is it clear, students? The motorcycle name was Loner. The distance of Maharashtra to Delhi 1400 kilometer. Okay. So all these topics, whatever I just here defined, just I would here I having a question. Just you see this question and fill in the blanks of these questions. So you must be clarify all these things, what is just passes the topic. Then in this topic I must having one questions. This question is fill in the blanks. Okay, students, here just some questions is here. Fill in the blanks in firstly Loner, 1400, Nylon and Manali. Okay, so first question is here. It took 3 days to cover, and here is the blank, kilometers from Mumbai. It took 3 days to cover kilometers from Mumbai टू दिल्ली. कितने किलोमीटर्स की दूरी कवर करने के लिए लगती है फ्रॉम मुंबई टू दिल्ली? देन हियर इज योर वर्ड्स इज 1400 इज ए राइट. 1400 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम मुंबई टू दिल्ली. फर्स्टली इट टुक 3 days. 3 days का समय लेता है टू कवर 1400 किलोमीटर from Mumbai to Delhi. And second one is here, Gaurav Jani was feeling very refreshed after reaching where? Gaurav Jani was feeling very refreshed after reaching Manali. Here second one is this. Okay, students, firstly 1400, second one is Manali, and third here is the tent was so small. This one was the nylon. His nylon tent. His nylon tent then here fill the nylon. And fourth one is a stood guard outside the tent. Loner. Here Gaurav Jani define these things. His loner stood. उसकी लोनर गाड़ी जो है वो खड़ी रहती थी आउटसाइड एज ए गार्ड। जब वो टेंट पे स्लीप करता था और उसकी लोनर गाड़ी बाहर खड़ी रहती थी, लोनर स्टूड गार्ड, लोनर ऐसे खड़ी रहती है जैसे एक गार्ड, एक सुरक्षा कर्मी की तरह वो खड़ी रहती थी उसकी गाड़ी। लोनर स्टूड गार्ड आउटसाइड द टेंट। हियर fill in the blanks, you can just here write down on your copy also. Loner 1400 nylon Manali is the word, and here is the last one is the loner. It took 3 days to cover 1400 kilometer. Gaurav Jani was feeling very refreshed after reaching Manali, and his nylon tent was so small. Loner stood guard outside the tent. Here another question is my define Shangtang. Okay students, where is the place Changtang? Changtang is a part of high altitude. Okay students, Shangtang one is the place. This place is a very high, you can just see on the very high altitude, बहुत ऊंची पहाड़ी पे, बहुत ऊंची पहाड़ियों की पे ये प्लेस पाया जाता है चांगतांग। ओके, एंड दिस प्लेस इज कवर्ड बाय 3 lakes आल्सो। Three largest or you can say larger world famous lakes. So students, all of you just watch my videos, and if you are having any kinds of problems, so let's watch this video and give your also comments, like and subscribe also. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thanks a lot.